So this is the last package I received, which contains another photo printer, instant photo printer, and this time the package from Amazon has this Kodak Mini 3 Era cartridge bundle, and this printer is capable of printing square format 7.6 by 7.6 centimeters of borderless pictures, and leaving about a 1 centimeter wide band at the bottom part. So this is a photo printer with sticky backs. The technology is called 4-pass photo printing. This is again dye sublimation printing technology, which produces, in my opinion, the highest quality available for instant photo printing. It is, in my opinion, even higher quality than the Fujifilm Instax film. So what is this package about? This package contains a printer and 2 packs of film, or let's call it film. Altogether 30, that is 60 photos. Okay, let's check out the printer itself. I don't need this box anymore. Let me just put it aside. So this is the small package of the photo printer. I ordered the yellow one. Let me just open the printer. So there is a thank you paper, and it is practically quite useful, since this contains a booklet with the instruction, very easy to follow. What is important, that you need the application Kodak photo printer, and here is the QR code which you can download from the App Store or Google Store. This is a Bluetooth printer, so that is, it doesn't require Wi-Fi at all. Okay, and there is a wrist strap, but I think this printer is not that small. Let me just pull it out from the box. This is the printer itself. It has a very stylish design. It's definitely hefty, well constructed. In the side, this is where you can load the cartridge with the paper. So this is really a cartridge containing the paper itself. One cartridge typically has 10 sheets of photo paper, and there is the USB-C charger here on this part. And there is a power on button. Let me just switch it on. Okay, so this is when the printer is ready. I think the position doesn't really matter. It can work like so, or like so, or handheld. It doesn't matter. So here is my Kodak M300 printer, instant photo printer. the first thing is just to make sure that the printer is switched on and the Bluetooth connection is established. Very important that if you have two phones, then you can use only one. That is, if you cannot, for example, when you recognize that you cannot connect from one of your phone to the printer, then look around, maybe your other phone is automatically connected, and then unfortunately this printer is not capable of connecting to two mobile phones. Therefore one of the mobile phone connections should be disconnected. So that's in my opinion an issue, and yes, that's typically a problem with Bluetooth devices. Some Bluetooth devices are capable of connecting two devices, pairing with two devices, but this printer doesn't, so it can be connected only one. So yeah, so what I did, I simply disconnected Bluetooth, I disabled Bluetooth on this phone, and then here is my Android phone, so I can now use this as a print source. So my phone is connected. So let's just pick one of the photos. Printing is very easy. The phone displays all of your images from your gallery. I pick this one and edit and print, and then I press print. It starts printing. Very easy. And the first pass is just the alignment of the paper with the ribbon, the print ribbon, and the first layer is yellow. The second layer is going to be magenta. And the third layer is cyan. And the fourth pass is something called laminating. And again, what I can see here, that the photo and the image from my phone are very similar. So definitely it's not exactly the same, but very similar and quite decent. Absolutely. So again, the photos printed from this device are really high quality. Highly recommend. So my opinion, this is one of the best printer available. This Kodak M300, which officially is called Kodak Mini 3 Era portable photo printer. I prefer this 7.6 by 7.6 centimeter image, because then it is significantly larger than the 3 by 2. But anyhow, so this is the print quality, and also I'm very happy with this one. So I used to have, actually I ordered at the same time, when I ordered this one, a selfie square, which has exactly the same printing quality, at least what I had expected, because I'm a big fan of the Canon selfie CP printers. I have one CP 1200, absolutely fantastic photo printer. So that's why I expected that the Canon selfie square is of high quality too, but unfortunately the copy that the printer itself I received from a local store, a quite reputable local store, was faulty, and then it just didn't print the images properly, so unfortunately I had to return it. And but this Kodak printer seems to be completely fine, and it doesn't have any error as I received it. And what is also important, that this Kodak printer can print borderless. Canon selfie square, it wasn't, it always printed some border, so that's why I think this Kodak printer even is a better value, because it can print the full size, the full surface of the paper, of the photo paper. So thank you very much for your attention.